What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're gonna do a little something different. A few of you guys have asked me to do like a point of view, I guess, kind of video, because you want to see my world through my eyes in my car. Of course, you know, you can't see everything in my life, you know, some things shouldn't be shown, you know what I'm saying? Well, anyways, I recently picked up this little DJI Action 2 camera, so I think it'll be pretty good just for the job. It has like this little necklace, I guess, with a little magnet that I can just stick here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it on my hat and then we'll see how it goes. I haven't tried this camera yet, so I don't know how the audio is gonna be. I guess we'll see. Yeah, it's a DJI product though, so it should be pretty good. Let's go. Let's go get some gas. On this sound, so we'll see. Should be a pretty cool video. Enough gas to make it to the gas station for E85, because we've only got one station here that has E85, and as you can see I only have 5 bars, but hopefully we have enough. Look at that, we got 2 bars back. It was down to 0 bars earlier. I hope I can make it to the station. After we get some gas, I'll do a few pulls for you guys. to the gas station. We made it to the gas station, so let's go get some juice. I'll let you guys take a peek at the car too. Oh yeah, baby. Looks like we're done. Let's go for some pulls. You guys ready for some pulls? I know I am. It's been a while. Look at that, baby. Full tank. You guys ready to hear her scream? Cops around here, so they like to patrol this area at nighttime, so can't really push it. They're always creeping. So we just got back from the drive, and I guess about 2 miles from the house, the camera finally died. This thing is pretty cool. It died so quickly because it has like the second battery pack that's like a second screen. And when I put the strap on, I didn't bring this little battery. I didn't even think about it. So, but I think I got some pretty good footage. But right now we're gonna go back and back to my brother's house and return the car. Also, it's my nephew's Kyle's birthday today, which is Caden's son. So we're gonna stop by there for a little bit. So let's go. You guys want a quick glimpse of the sheesh? That's all you get. Ha!
Oh.
I like this one. Một là đổ xe, còn hai là đổ ghế. Đổ nào. Xe còn bán lấy tiền lại được, còn ghế bán đâu được.
Út Vũ là cái gì xài luôn.
Xài hao.
Xe này
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kyle. Hey, it's Kyle's birthday, not yours. What are you doing, Kyle?
Shooting you.
Huh?
Shooting you.
Why are you
Use
shooting
the
me?
camera.
Why are you shooting me? Oh look, your face just broke my camera, Ava. This is Ava, Caden's daughter. This is Kyle. This is the birthday boy. Say hi. Say hi to the YouTube.
Hi.
What's your name?
Kyle.
Hey, we're not done interviewing you. How old are you today?
Huh?
How old are you today?
7.
7? 7 or 17?
7.
Yeah?
Weirdo?
Who's a weirdo? You're a weirdo.
You.
You. Hey, it's January. Why is this tree still up?
Because my dad don't care.
No, that's not your dad's job. That's your job.
I didn't put that right there.
No, it's your job. You're supposed to clean up the Christmas tree after Christmas.
I'm not strong to hold that.
See, this is the typical Asian family, you know, they like to leave the tree up for a whole year.
Because you're weirdo.
Who's a weirdo?
You.
You.
You're recording
Yes, I am recording.
a video.
Yeah. Say
On your
hi.
camera.
Say hi. Hey, say hi. There's gonna be a lot of people watching you. Yeah, so you better behave. You better behave.
No.
Yeah, you better behave.
No. We're getting arrested.
What are you doing, Caden?
Kyle.
I wish you could build cars as good as you build balloons, bro.
What do I have you for, bro?
So my goal today is to terrorize as many kids as I can. You wanna be on camera? You wanna be on camera? You wanna be on camera? Huh? Sue, say hi.
Hi.
This is Ty's wife. This is the reason why Ty's car is not done. What is this?
Bé thúi.
What is it?
Bé thúi. Bé thúi. Bé thúi tiếng Anh là gì ta? Bé thúi là gì mà thấy? Biết là tôi có thương.
Gasting?
Hey!
This is another reason why Ty's car is not done. You! I swear, if we lose to the Cowboys today, I'm gonna burn my car. Okay, we cannot lose to the Cowboys. Alright? The Cowboys. The Cowboys.
So Digizua, he's a young rookie that has become an important part of Dan Quinn's.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kyle.
High five! Kyle! Bye! Happy birthday. Kiss the camera. Kiss the camera. Kiss the camera. Alright, just got back from the little baby bash. I guess that's it for today's vlog. Comments below if this is something you guys like to see, you know, from time to time instead of just cars, and, you know, cars. You know, we all love cars, but it's nice to take a little break every now and then. But it's been nice. I love you guys. And remember to like, comment, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps the channel out. All right, peace out. I love you guys. And remember, authenticity is king. Peace.